guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going with the next topic, that is iterator in JavaScript. Let's understand this. An iterator is something that gives values one by one, or you can say one after the other. But when when you ask for them using a function, here we use a function that is dot next function. In simple words, we can say an object that lets you access items one by one using dot next functions. To understand it better, let's create our own iterator. For this, I'll simply create a function in the name of create iterator. Inside this, I'll write array. After this, I'll write let index equals to 0. Then it returns us something, that is inside this return I'll write next. We'll create one more function by using if else. I'll write if our index is less than array.length. If our index is less than array.length, in that case it will return us something called as a value. That is, it will return us a value which is equal to array index plus plus. After everything is done, it will show us that done, and at the end equals to false. Once I create this, I'll explain it. So after this, we'll create else. Else what it will return is, it will return as value equals to undefined. So here I'll write value equals to undefined, and at the end done equals to true. I'll explain you this, why this is, when if the value is undefined, why we get this true. Let me explain you this. But before that, we'll pass a parameter here. So let's create a variable. I'll create a variable const nums equal to create iterator, and inside this array I'll write 10, 20 and 30. After this, we'll console this. As I said before, here we use dot next function. So after console.log, what I'll do is I'll write nums dot next. Here we are calling the next function. What result we'll get is, let me check this. Here you can see, when I click on console, you can see we got the value as 10 and done equals to false. If I just copy this and paste it here again, then what we'll get is, we'll get the next value, that is 20. I'll copy this again and I'll print this, and the last value, which is 30. If we paste this again, here we don't have any values after 30. You can see here we got this undefined done equals to true. Why we got this done equals to true is, let me explain you this. Here we have called a iterator function. After this, it runs as an object with the dot next function. Whenever we use this dot next function, it returns us an object. And every time when we call this dot next function, we get the next value. That is, after 10 we got 20 and 30. And at the end we got that true. Here you can see at the end we got value equals to undefined and done equals to true, because when there is no more values, we get the last result as true. So this is how this iterator function works. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.